Hi, this is Joey here at Best Trailers. I'm going to show you another MAXXD. We just got this one in. This is the 24-foot model with the mini max ramps on it. It's the model EHX. It's a heavy-duty equipment hauler. You've got rub rails going down the side, as well as stake pockets, D-rings. It's a heavy-duty I-beam construction. Spare tire mount here on the front, and a big toolbox, full size of the tongue is your toolbox. One 10,000-pound drop leg jack up front and adjustable coupler. It's 2 5/16 coupler. We can do a coupler or penalite, whichever one you want. Easy to swap out. You've got treated 2x8 wood floors going down the trailer. Heavy duty steel tread plate fenders, lights in the fenders. Tires are 215/75 or 17.5. Heavy duty steel solid rims. Heavy duty 8K axles. And like I said, on the back we've got the mini max ramps. So it's a spring assist, full width, well, split full width ramp. LED lights are tucked up underneath the back, underneath the ramps, that we don't have to worry about catching them on anything when you're turning or going through woods or job site or anything like that. Come see us today. We've got an equipment trailer, any equipment trailer for you need. Best Trailers in Byron, Georgia. 478-654-5350.